Brace yourself for a ride like no other. Introducing the all-new, utterly compelling 2023 Cadillac Ct5-V series. An embodiment of pure power and luxury, refined to a whole new level of sophistication. First, feast your eyes on the breathtaking exterior design. Razor-sharp lines, an iconic, wider grille, and V-Series exclusive dark accents paint a bold statement on the asphalt, even at standstill. Step inside the realm of unrivaled comfort. With semi-aniline leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and a cutting-edge Bose-registered Trademark Performance Series 15-speaker audio system, the cabin of the Ct5-V series is designed to immerse you in sheer luxury. But where the Ct5-V series truly stands out is on the open road. Underneath its sculpted hood roars a mighty 6.2-liter supercharged V8, churning out a staggering 668 horsepower and 659 pound-feet of torque. It's not just a car, it's an adrenaline-pumping, heart-stopping powerhouse. And that's not all. The Ct5-V series isn't just about raw power. It's a maestro on the dance of balance and control. With magnetic ride control and the performance traction management system, it handles like a dream, smoothly negotiating every curve, every twist, every turn with graceful agility. Equipped with Cadillac's latest and greatest driver assistance technologies and a 10-inch diagonal HD touch display, it's a seamless blend of performance, connectivity, and convenience. It's not just driving, it's the next level of mobility. The all-new 2023 Cadillac Ct5-V series. Indulge in power wrapped in luxury. It's not just a car, it's a Cadillac.